Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. Last time we have seen the standard 10th Maths 1 from that chapter number 3 arithmetic progression. We have seen from that chapter, that is practice set 3.3, from that question number 1 to 5. Now we are going to see the question number 6. Before going to see the question number 6, I will thanks to all the students that you have subscribed my video. Those who are not subscribed, they should subscribe now, so that whichever the new video I can load on the YouTube, that you can immediately come to know. So now here example number 3. The sum of the first 55 terms of an arithmetic progression is 3300. Find the 28th term. Now here Sn, that is an S55. S55 is equal to 3300, it is given. And he had told us to T28 is equal to question mark, that we are going to find it. Let A be the first term, and D be the common difference. D be the common difference. D be the common difference. Now, therefore, we know the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. Now S55 is equal to 55 upon 2 in bracket 2a plus in bracket 55 minus 1 into d, bracket complete. S55 is given, that is an 3300, which is equal to 55 upon 2 in bracket 2a plus 55 minus 1, that is an 54 into d. Now here 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2 into, from this 2 is in a common, inside the bracket a plus 2 2s are 4, 1 remain, 2 7s are 14 into d. So these 2 and these 2 it is cancelled. So a plus 27d is equal to 33,000, and this 55 goes to the other side. Sorry, 3300 and this 55 goes to the other side. It becomes division. 11 5s are 55, 11 3s are 33, 0 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, this 0. So we will get here a plus 27d, a plus 27d is equal to 60. Let us take this as an equation number 1. Now Tn formula, we know a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. Now T28 we are going to find. T28 is equal to a plus in bracket 28 minus 1 into d. T28 is equal to a plus 28 minus 1 is an 27 into d. This is an equation number 2. Now equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, we will get that T28 is equal to 60. You can get the screenshot. Now 7th example, in an arithmetic progression, the sum of the 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Then find the terms that he had told, assuming that the three consecutive terms in arithmetic progression are. So here let the three consecutive terms in arithmetic progression be a minus d, a and a plus d. These three terms, let us we assume that. Now here condition he has given the sum of the three consecutive term. The sum of the three consecutive term means by condition. First, what is condition first? That is sum of all the three consecutive. This is first term, this is second term, and this is third term is equal to 27. He has given in the question, he has given there the sum of the three consecutive term is in a 27. Therefore now we will solve this now. A minus d plus a plus a plus d is equal to 27. Now plus d minus d cancel, a plus a, that is in a 3a is equal to 27. Then a is equal to 27 upon 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 9s are 27, a is equal to 9. Now second condition is given. Second, by condition second, by condition second. What is condition second? Their product means the product of all the three terms, a minus d into a plus d is equal to 504. This he has given. That is condition he has given there. The product of all the three is in a, he has given. So now here a minus d and this a plus d and this into a I will write is equal to 504. A minus d, a plus d, that is an a square minus d square into a is equal to 504. But a is given here. We have calculated, that is 9 square minus d square into 9 is equal to 504. That is 81 minus d square is equal to 504 upon 9. That is 504 upon 9. We are going to do the cancellation now. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 2 remain 20, 3 6s are 18, 19, 20, 3 8s are 24. Again by 3 we will get 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Now d square, I will shift it there, and this I will write it this way first. 81 minus 81 minus d square is equal to 56. So 81 minus 56 is equal to, this becomes plus d square. Now 81 minus 56, you are going to do the cancellation. What we will get, see now here, that is 25, which is equal to d square. Taking square root on both the side, we will get d is equal to plus or minus 5. D is equal to plus or minus 5 I will get. Then the three consecutive terms we will now write here. The three consecutive term, when a is equal to 9 and d is equal to 5 we will take first. Then here it become first term, that is a minus d, which is equal to 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. A, that is equal to 9 I will get, and a plus d, that I will get it as an 9 plus 5, that is equal to 14. If a is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 5 if I will take, at that time a minus d, which is equal to 9 minus minus 5, which is equal to 14. A is equal to 9. A plus d is equal to 9 plus in bracket minus 5, that is 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. That means the three consecutive terms are consecutive terms are 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 5. So you can get the screenshot and write. Now, eighth example, find the four consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression whose sum is 12 and the sum of the third and fourth term is 14. Let the four consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression be a minus d, a plus d, and the consecutive of a plus d is a plus 2d. Now, from condition first, what is condition first? The sum, that is the sum of all the four consecutive terms is 12. That means a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d. The sum of this is 12. Now solve the bracket. A minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 12. Now a, that is enough for a, plus d minus d get cancelled, plus 2d is equal to 12. Now from this 2 is in a common inside the bracket, 2a plus d is equal to 12. So 2a plus d is equal to 12 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, this 2 shifted to the other side. So cancellation, 2a plus d is equal to 6. This is an equation number 1. Now from condition second is that the sum of the third and fourth. Now third term, which is the third term? This is first, this is second, this is third, that is an a plus d plus sum here told, and the fourth term is an a plus 2d. The sum of this is an 14, is equal to 14. So now solve here. A plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 14. A plus a, 2a, d plus 2d, that is 3d, is equal to 14. This is equation number 2. Now subtracting, see here, 2a, the term is the same, having the same sign. If you want to find the value of d, you can subtract this equation. Subtracting equation equation 1 from 2. 2 is 2a plus 3d is equal to 14. From this we are subtracting this 2a plus d is equal to 6. When you will subtract, the sign will change here, it becomes minus. minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. So this plus 2a and this minus 2a, it will be cancelled. 3d minus d, that is a 2d. Subtract it but keep the greater number sign. Now 14 minus 6, that is an 8. D is equal to 8 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Now here we got D is equal to 4. Now put D is equal to 4 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2a plus D is equal to 6. So 2a plus 4 is equal to 6. 2a is equal to 6 minus 4. Therefore 2a is equal to 2. Therefore a is equal to 1. Now if a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 4, we got if a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 4, then first term what it is, a minus d, which is equal to 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 3. Second term is an a, where a is equal to 1. Third term is an a plus d. A plus d means a is an 1 plus this 4, which is equal to 5. Fourth term is a plus 2d. A is 1, 2 into d is 4. 1 plus 2 fours are 8, which is equal to 9. That means the four consecutive terms in arithmetic progression are minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. This is an answer. You can get the screenshot and write in your notebook. Now ninth example, if the ninth term of an arithmetic progression is a 0, then show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. Now let a be the first term of an arithmetic progression and d be the common difference. Now we know the formula, that is Tn is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. This is our formula. T9 is equal to 0. It is given. So T9 is equal to a plus in bracket 9 minus 1 into d. T9 is an 0, which is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 is an 8d. Therefore a is equal to minus 8d. This is an equation number 1. Now T19 we will see first. T19 is equal to a plus in bracket 19 minus 1 into d. So T19 is equal to a is in a minus 8d plus 19 minus 1 is an 18d. Now here T19 is equal to minus 8d plus 18d. Subtract it but keep the greater number sign. 18 minus 8 is an 10. Greater number is 18, so plus sign. that is T19 is equal to 10D. This is an equation number 2. Now T29 which is equal to A plus 29 minus 1 into D. So T29, now here A is in a minus 8D plus 29 minus 1, that is in a 28D. So T29 is equal to minus 8D plus 28D, subtract it but keep the greater number sign. Greater number is 28, so plus sign. 28 minus 8 is an 20D. Now if I will write in this way, T29 is equal to 2 into 10D, that is 2 tens are 20. Now T29 is equal to 2 into this 10D means is in a T19 from here I will write here 3 from 1 and 3. So whatever it is told here, show that 29th term is twice the 19th term is shown. Here the practice set 3.3 is completed. So you if you liked it, you subscribe the video and you can share to your friends, and don't forget that after subscribing you push the bell button so that the further videos you are able to see. Thank you.